How to create poll into your WhatsApp account. It is a new feature and it's very easy to use. So first of all, you log into your WhatsApp account, whether through web or app in your computer. I'm going to show later in mobile as well. So let's start with computer first. So you go to any chat, whether it's individual or group chat. See the pin icon here at the bottom. Just click on it and you can see the poll icon here, poll. If you cannot see it, maybe your screen is too small. It happens to me, so I have to zoom out so you can see all these 9 icons. Okay, next you just have to click on the poll, put in your question, and you can put all your options here, and then you can put even emoji as well. And when you click send, which is this paper plane icon, you can see everything here. The thing about this, currently there's not much settings. You can select a few, you cannot only choose one, but it's fine. It's good for a start. For example, if you want to arrange a meeting and you want to know who can make it at a certain time, this is a good way to do it. And then when you click one, you can even view the votes. If a lot of people have voted, you can view the votes here, and this is how you see all the votes. And then you can just delete it if you do not like it. Alright, so that's how you can create in your computer. Now let's jump to mobile and let me show you how you can do it. Now we are in mobile. Open up your WhatsApp account, then just click on any chat. It could be group chat or individual chat. So I'll have a setting chat here, and then just click on the pin icon. Alright, and you can see poll right at the bottom. Then you just type in your question. Alright, and then all you have to do is just click the send icon or the airplane icon at the bottom right, and there you can see it. So you can choose whichever you want. You can vote multiple times, then you can view the votes there. Yep, so that's it. That's how easily you can do it in your phone and also in your computer, which I showed earlier. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.